Today, we're going to talk about organizing your digital life, and Kat Nostrin and Melissa Lim will be presenting. It's a new series that we wanted to start this year to just share different things each month with you all. Kat and Melissa.
Thanks, Deborah. Hi, everybody. I'm Melissa Lim, and Kat, you can say your own.
I can say hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Kat Nestrand.
And we're technology integration specialists in the Learning Technologies department of Otis. And today we're doing this session on organizing your digital life. And these are by no means any groundbreaking new tips that you have probably not heard before, but maybe right now is a good time to remind you to do some of these things and then start some practices that become more regular for you. So we'll go ahead and get started. So the first tip is to organize your files. This is a really, really big one. So a lot of times when I've taught classes before, workshops, I've done presentations, and I've worked specifically with individuals, their desktop of their computer is filled with random files and folders. And so one thing that will be great for you to do is to actually organize those files. So either taking the random individual files that you have and putting them into folders, or deleting them. If you haven't used it in a while, then drag it to the trash or the recycle bin. And then you can see Kat has put some links there for you. Do you want to talk about those quick?
Yep. So the first link is 10 quick tips for organizing your Google Drive, and it's Google Drive specific because we're a Google district. So that is a YouTube video, not too long. A nice thing about a YouTube video is if you click on the description below, it gives you chapters so you can go to a particular thing that you want to see. Below that, I've put and applied a Google Applied to Digital Skills lesson. If you click on that, you don't have to sign in. You can go through the lesson and it walks you through things like, color coding your folders in Google Drive, renaming things, how to, especially if you are using a PC or Mac, how to upload and add files to your drive so that you have them backed up on your drive. And then for those folks that are wanting more support for thinking about managing Macs and PC desktops, like Melissa was talking about, that last link is a little support there for you. But it's a lot about like tips for, renaming, starring your folders so you can get to them quickly, uploading files, thinking about naming conventions that you want to be consistent with, or also like starring folders or files that you want to get to quickly, because that puts them in a spot where you can find them more easily in your drive.
I would just also add to the starring of Google Drive, the other folder you want to look at in Google Drive is recent, because that'll show you stuff that you've recently worked on. I would if you're someone that's really particular about seeing what's in your Google Drive, stay out of Shared With Me, because that will show tons of stuff that you probably don't remember ever seeing anything, or that it just showed up because somebody shared their Google Doc with the district. And so it's going to show in that Shared With Me. So just steer clear of going to Shared With Me.
And always Google things. Almost every Google product has a really good, excellent search. So if you want to find something shared with you, a quick way to do it is that search in your drive. So
is just a plug for our Learning Technologies team. And so this link on the left-hand side, pps.net/learningtech, is the link to the website within the Otis web pages. And so there's lots more information about the digital toolkit. And if you want to request an app or an extension and how to do that, it has links to the database of all the apps and extensions that are already vetted and approved. So that's what that website is. And then this is pps.net/LTOtis. And that's a newer website that shows a menu of services that our team offers, including coaching, so instructional technology integration coaching. And it also has some information about our leadership team. And then we're also going to start spotlighting teachers that are doing great work in their classrooms. So just a couple of links to check out from our team.